Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to share saved collections on Instagram with friends using two simple methods. Now let's get started. First, let's look at the easiest way to create and share a collaborative collection. Go to any Instagram post and tap the Save icon below it to save the post. When the Save options appear, tap New Collection to start organizing your saved content. Give your collection a name so it's easy to find later. Enable the collaborative toggle so your friends can join and add posts too. A list of people you follow will appear. Simply select a friend you want to share this collection with. Tap Save to finish creating the collaborative collection. To view your collection, go to your profile, tap the three horizontal lines at the top, tap Saved, and then select the collection you just made. Now let's go over the second method, which works directly from your DMs. Open the Instagram app and head to your homepage. Tap the messenger icon at the top right corner to access your DMs. Inside any chat, find a reel and tap the save icon next to it. Tap New Collection when the save menu appears. Instagram will automatically make this a collaborative collection with the person in that chat. You can give the collection a custom name before saving it. One thing to note is that you can't edit existing collections to add or remove friends. If you want to include someone new, you'll need to create a new collaborative collection from scratch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps.